So, firstly, thank you so much, everyone, for joining us this afternoon. I know it's a Friday, and I think everyone must be looking forward to a great weekend. But thank you so much for your willingness to learn. And we've kind of designed this workshop in a very fun way, where you have a little bit of theory, a little bit of you know um, the opportunity to go hands-on uh, with the with the platform as such, and try and create an application yourself, and try and see how easy it is actually to be able to build an application for your service businesses as such. We will be doing, like Jello mentioned, we will be doing a lot of breakout sessions, and the idea is to get to know some of your pain points, try and understand what each of your organizations are trying to do, and try and help you out with trying to digitize your organizations as such. Perfect. With this background, I think we all understand that what's happening in the world today is nothing short of a century long thing. It's happened in the 1900s, early 1900s, and perhaps in a way this pandemic has been instrumental in pushing the companies to go digital. And when I say that, I mean that over the last decade or so, the impetus to go digital has already been there. Uh, Consumers have started appreciating those organizations um, which are helping, which are providing them with services available through, say, a self-service medium, through an app, or through some kind of an interface, whether it is a chatbot or anything. But this pandemic has really helped. Uh, has pushed the companies to go digital, because obviously you understand that a lot of people are stuck at home, and they cannot maybe order services or access products in the way they used to walk into a mall, and so on and so forth. And what has happened is the consumer shifting, the preference has shifted online completely, and this is very visible in terms of any industry or any category. We can see all the way from jewelry or luxury, fashion or apparel, to even consuming services which they want to consume on a daily basis. And the field service management, this brings us to the point that it's expected to be approximately $6 billion by the year 2024. So that's a huge number. And keeping in mind the shift, a majority of the customers catering to the 6 billion market would understandably want to be served in a more convenient, in a more digitally transformed way. So companies like yourself, every company actually needs to sell and operate online, and that cannot take maybe a couple of years of transition. That has to happen maybe in the next couple of months, if not weeks. And uh, and and while a lot of organizations that we work with believe that having an online shop is probably the only answer to going digital. So for example, if I am a retailer, what really happens is, if I try and subscribe to, say, a Lazada or any other popular e-commerce aggregator, I believe that I am digitally transforming my operations. Well, it is not the only answer, but it's a part of a much larger strategic endeavor, which is to serve your customers. And I will be touching on all elements of how exactly you too can probably digitally transform your operations to uh, to reduce efficiencies, to improve customer experience, and in turn grow your business eventually. So when we say that these services ice sorry the services iceberg platform, we are really talking about the fact that what you see is serving your customers through maybe a custom application or a custom web interface. You could also use third party platforms like Shopify, ShareTribe, to build an individual channel for your organizations. You could subscribe to marketplaces like Gavin, or you could try selling it online on other social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever be it. But what people don't really realize, what organizations don't realize, is that it is much more than just having an online storefront. And when I say that, it means a number of other aspects that go into enhancing the customer experience, which could be all the way from online payment, sales order management, dispatch to courier, delivery confirmation, returns management, and so on and so forth. So I'm not going to go across the whole list, but there are a bunch of activities that go ahead with delivering a seamless customer experience. With this, I think let's quickly step into a breakout room for 5 minutes. Let's try and understand, let's try and get to know each other better. Let's try and understand what your relationship with technology is, and let's come back to take this forward.